Have you missed an important email because you have a sea full of messages in your inbox? Well, today I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting to highlight these emails as soon as it hits your inbox. Let's get started. I have Adele's new Outlook open. Let's go to View, View Settings, type in Conditional. There's conditional formatting. Notice that it's under Mail and it has its own tab, Conditional Formatting. We're going to create, let's give it a name. I want to make sure I find any emails that has Mentor Program in it. So select under my conditions, I'm going to choose Subject Includes, type in Mentor Program, and select a color. And anything that has Mentor Program appears in my inbox with that purple color. Here is a watch out. If you want to color code the subject line, if it includes either Mentor Program or Mentoring Program, the results will fail. Currently, the entry is reading it as Mentor and Mentoring. Microsoft is working on improvements to this feature. Stay tuned. Now, let me show you how this also works for a person. We're going to go through those steps again. View Settings, Conditional Formatting. We're going to create, and I'm going to type in Alex because I don't get a lot of emails from Alex. He's really important. He's the big guy in the company, and anytime his messages hit my inbox, I want to know about it, right? So we're going to go and choose Conditions from Alex. Let's choose a color. We want to mark this red and hit OK. Notice anything that comes in from Alex that you will see the subject line will be the color that we've chosen for conditional formatting. How nice is that? Now, go work your magic.